Hello grade 9s, welcome back to Masterandlearnit. In this video, we are learning how to factorize by trinomial. So the first step is to take out the highest common factor if there is any. And trinomial means there are three terms. So I have split this video into two segments. There are those trinomial where the sign of the last term is a plus. We apply a different method, and when the trinomial, the last sign is a minus, we apply a different method. So I split them so that we avoid confusion. Let's get right in. So the first one says x squared plus 8x plus 12, okay? So with the trinomial, take out your highest common factor. On these three terms, there's no highest common factor. Second step, multiply the first term and the last. So I get 12 times x squared is 12x squared. In this case, let's focus on 12. What are two numbers that you multiply to get 12? You can say 1 times 12, you get 12. 2 times 6, you get 12. 3 times 4, you get 12. These are the only factors that I have. And now this is where it's important. You look at this sign. When the sign is a positive, if it's a plus, the last term, if the sign is a plus, it's just saying the signs will be the same. The sign will be the same as the middle term. So the complete reference is, it says the signs will be the same as the middle term, and my middle term happens to be a plus, 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 plus. We'll see a situation like here where the sign of the last term is a plus, but the middle terms are negative. What do we do? So in this case, the plus just say the signs will be the same as the sign of the middle term, which happens to be a plus. So 1 plus 12 is 13. I don't have 13 right here. 2 plus 6 is 8, and I have 8. So these are the rightful factors. So I open my brackets there, two brackets. That's x, take one of this factor, plus 2. X, take the other factor, plus 6. And this is our final answer. Let's do the second one. So the second one says 3a squared, so 3a squared minus 9a plus 6. Remember, we've separated these videos regarding the last sign. If the last sign is a positive, what do we do? So the first step, we said for you to factorize a trinomial, take out the highest common factor. And on all these terms, 3 is common throughout. So 3 is the highest common factor. Let's divide 3 into 3. It's 1, so I'm left with a squared. 3 there, we get negative 3a. 3 into 6, that's positive 2. And now we can see inside the bracket we have a trinomial. And how do we factorize a trinomial? You multiply the first times the last. So a squared times 2, we get 2a squared. And factors of 2, let's focus on this number. It's 1 and 2. That's all. These are the only factors of 2. And what does this sign tell us? It says I'm a positive. All signs will be the same as the middle term, so all signs will be the same. That's what the plus says, as the middle term, and the middle term happens to be negative, so all of them will be the same, negative. Okay, so using a calculator, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, which is this. So I have my highest common factor 3, which is this one. Then I open my two brackets. I have my a minus 1, a minus 2, and this is my final answer. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do a trinomial when the last term is a negative. So if this video was fun and interesting, please share to your friends. Always subscribe to Masterandlearnit, give it a big thumbs, and watch the next video and see how we do when the last term is a negative.